Hi, I'm going to talk about step-parent adoption. In family law, one of the most underutilized legal tools that we have, in my opinion, is a step-parent adoption. A step-parent adoption can help a young child grow into an adult knowing and feeling that they have been fully claimed by both a mother and a father. Sometimes the hardest part for many children with an absent parent is not feeling fully claimed with a true sense of belonging to a mother and a father. If you want to do a step-parent adoption and you believe that the other parent won't consent to the adoption, here are the most common ways to obtain a step-parent adoption without the consent of one parent. 1. If you don't know their identity, obviously it'd be really hard. But you also have to say that you could not ascertain the identity of the person at the time the petition was filed. Their consent obviously can't be required if we don't know who they are. Number 2, if you know who they are and they've been properly served, but they fail to file an answer, or they fail to show up at the adoption proceeding, the adoption can be granted without their consent. This is most often used when a parent is incarcerated, but not always. If you think that they won't show up, this is a very common tool to use. Lastly, the most common and the most complex is number 3. The law says that a parent for at least a period of 6 months for a child 1 year's age or older, or only 60 days for a child under 1 year of age. So 6 months for 1 and older, 60 days for under 1. You need to prove that during that time that one parent willfully abandoned the child for the previously mentioned time frame, either 6 months or 60 days. This requires some legal analysis and sometimes even research to determine whether a parent has technically willfully abandoned their child for the required period of time. There's also another way. If a parent for 6 months, for all ages, willfully, substantially, and continuously neglected to provide the child with the necessary care and protection, this is more aimed at support that the parent failed to provide. The statute is meant to give the court a broad enough discretion to make sound judgment calls to promote family unity and security for children who have an absent or even perhaps a deadbeat parent. If you are considering a step-parent adoption, contact an attorney as soon as possible, because timing is important and the unique facts of each case are crucial. If you would like more useful tips like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.